Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we're making homemade fruit roll-ups, otherwise known as dehydrated fruit leather. So start with some fresh berries that you've just picked or bought. Make sure they're washed very well. I like to soak mine with a little bit of vinegar in the water after picking to clear out any fungus issues or bugs. Next, line your dehydrating trays with some parchment paper. Now go ahead and destem all of your berries and make sure everything is all clean, and then put everything aside for your compost pile. We're going to want to blend all of this nice and smooth, so I fill up the bowl of my food processor and I blend it all on high until everything looks really nice and smooth. Honey, maple syrup, agave, or sugar can be used to sweeten your fruit. I add about 2 tablespoons. Blend until smooth, and if this is too thin or watery, you can put this on the stove for about 10 minutes to boil some of the liquid out and thicken it up. Next, pour it onto your baking sheets that have been lined with parchment paper. Because the edges dry faster than the middle, spread some of the middle parts to the edges to make the edges more thick. For my second batch, I added a banana to do a banana strawberry. Set your dehydrator to 140 degrees and give it a few hours and start checking on your fruit. This drying can take anywhere between 4 to 12 hours, sometimes even going into overnight if your fruits are very watery. Check for sticky spots and keep drying until it's nice and firm and leathery. You want it to be pliable and soft enough to be able to roll, but not sticky in the center. Once it's ready, cut them into strips and roll them up. If you dehydrated them a little too much, they might be a little brittle. It's really okay. They'll actually soften a little bit over just a couple of hours. Roll them up the best you can anyway and put them aside. These fruit roll-ups are really sweet. They taste like fresh fruit. They are so much better than anything that you buy in the store. They can be kept inside of a canning jar or inside of like a Ziploc bag. You can roll each individual piece into parchment paper to keep them from sticking together. They should be stored in the refrigerator just in case they didn't dry completely. Small pieces that are left over can be used to break up and put into cereals and granola. Here are a few recipe ideas for you to try. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.